Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an overlay in CapCut, and it's actually super simple. Now we're going to start with our background footage. This will be what is in the background while your overlay is layered over top of it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the background footage. For me, I'm just using a screen recording, as you guys can see. And then you're just going to put that into your timeline. And then what you're going to want to do is just go right up to your other image, and you're going to want to bring that down into the timeline. But you're going to want to put it on top of your original footage. So just click adapt. If that message comes up, it shouldn't for you guys. But right here, you'll see that we have both images. And I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to drag it all the way to the beginning. And what you're going to notice is this comes up and it is over top of the original image. However, it's not the overlay that we want. So in order to fix this and make like a little overlay that's a little bit smaller, I'm just gonna scale that down a little bit. And as you guys can see, you have your overlay. So you have your screen recording in the background, and then you have the overlay on top of it. And you guys can pretty much do anything with this. For instance, say you wanna do like a little gaming montage with your face in the corner. All you have to do is scale that down, and you can just put that in the corner right there. And that's how you can do a little gaming overlay. If you guys like this video, then please leave a like. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe.